Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new, welcome. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. In today's video I have a Priceline haul. So right now they have 50% off all cosmetics. So when I heard about that, I raced down to Priceline and I grabbed a few goodies. So let's get into the haul. So when I got to Priceline, it was very busy. When I got to Priceline and looked for everything that I was planning to get, every single slot was empty. I had nothing that I actually went there for. But did I walk away? Leave the store? That's right, they don't have what I want? No, of course not. I still spent $100. But yeah, it was really busy. Like I was looking for those L'Oreal highlighting drops, the new ones, and they were empty, of course. So there's this lady like restocking the Maybelline stand. So I just go, I have a little peek into her basket, and then she steps and turns to me, "Tell me what you're looking for." And I'm just like, the Maybelline highlighting drops, you're out. And she's like, looks in the basket for 2 seconds. She's like, "I don't have any." She keeps walking away. It's like, don't be so rude. Like, I know it's a stressful time. I was just wondering. I was just looking. I didn't like ask you. Like, I just wanted to glance into your basket. Like, calm down. But yeah, I understand it's a stressful period for the people at Priceline, but you know, I didn't make a fuss. I just was like, okay, no worries. Like, you don't have it, whatever. I'll have to buy it full price later on. But yeah, 50% off. People seem to go crazy. So let's get into what I actually bought. So first thing I got was a Real Techniques Miracle Sponge. I love this thing, but I feel like I need to get a new one because mine is just so old and used and loved and tattered and ripped and loved. So I definitely need to get a backup because I feel like mine's gonna die any day now. So yeah, I love this thing. So definitely had to get a backup. Next, I don't know if it was part of 50% off, but it was definitely reduced to clear, and I thought it was too much of a bargain to turn up. But it was two Real Techniques eye detail brushes, one for smudging and one for diffusing apparently, but it was discounted to $9.99, and there's a sharpener in there as well. So if you consider that the brushes were basically $5 each, for Real Techniques it's actually an amazing deal. Like, Real Techniques are such high quality brushes and you can't get away from buying one for at least $40. So to get the two for $9.99, I was very pleased. I snatched that up. Next, I got a pair of Glam by Manicare lashes in the style 24 Miranda. I've never tried Glam lashes before. So yeah, I figured for $6 it was worth trying them out. I've never tried them, and I just got a sort of wispier sort of style, so something pretty stock standard, but I wanted to try out what they were like, so at half price, why not? Next, probably the only thing that was in stock that was actually new was the Maybelline Total Temptation mascara. It's only just come out and I wanted to give it a shot, see what the formula is like. Yeah, I wasn't, like, I've heard bad things about the palette, so I didn't get that. I was like, not gonna bother wasting my money, but I'll try the mascara. I haven't heard anything about it yet, so keen to try that one. Next, I got the L'Oreal Infallible Luminizing Primer. I think this must have replaced the Lumi Magique Primer, which I absolutely love and I'm even wearing today. But I didn't see that there, so I'm assuming that this is replacing it. But when I saw it, I thought it's probably the same thing. However, I thought maybe I could do a video comparing the two and see if this is the replacement, whether or not it's actually improved or it's just packaging. So yeah, if you want to see that video, please let me know, because I would love to put these two primers to the test and see what is better, if this is an improvement, any differences from L'Oreal, because it's the same like bottle tube as well. It's just got a holographic print instead of just the plain white with Lumi Magique written on it. It just says infallible. So I'm keen to test the formulas out, you know, battle against the luminizing primers from L'Oreal. So I'm keen to film that one. And the rest I think is lip products. So this one is a duo chromatic lip gloss from NYX. So it's like basically like pink, and it's got like so hollow duochrome in it. I got the pink instead of like the whitey bluey sort of one, just because I thought this might be a bit more wearable. And the golds just looked too dark. Like, I'm a fan, but like I don't have a bronzy enough complexion, I think, to be able to pull off a gold lip. This definitely comes off green as well. But yeah, it's definitely got that duochrome holographic pink and green thing going on, which I didn't think it would go green, but definitely very holographic. So interested to see what that looks like on. Next, I got one of the Maybelline Fusion Matte Ink, just because I've heard, you know, a lot of good things about them. They've just expanded their colour range, so I wanted to test it out. It's the shade 10 Dreamer. So it's not Fusion ink, it's Super Stay Matte ink. I was thinking of YSL for a second there, not a Priceline. I hate when they tape it around there, I can never get into it.
3 weeks later.
So that is the colour of that one there. I'm going to assume it's going to dry down a lot more matte than that. But yeah, I thought it was probably the most wearable colour in terms of testing out this formula. I didn't want to get something I probably wouldn't wear very often if I did like it. But if I'm going to test the formula, I'd like a wearable colour. And lastly, I got 2 of the Australis Girl Boss Velvet Liquid Lipsticks. I got the shades Inspire and Hustle. Now, I love the packaging on these. There's, you know, rose gold shiny packaging. I'm glad to see the drugstore stepping it up when it comes to their packaging. But yeah, these colours are 2 very similar colours. Like, they just all looked so similar. They didn't have the one I was looking for, of course. So that there is the shade Inspire. And that one next to it is the shade Hustle. So yeah, that is all the stuff I picked up at the Priceline sale, and let me tell you, it would have been a hell of a lot more stuff if they actually had what I wanted in stock. And I couldn't be bothered travelling any further than my local Priceline, which is very small. But yeah, like, petrol's expensive. I don't want to drive all the way to the next town over for Priceline when I have one in my town, and it's very small, but I was just like, I couldn't be bothered. Like, it's my only chance to get to the sale. I cannot be bothered. Like, sorry. Have to try it again another time. But yeah, if you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and comment down below what you picked up at the sale. So yeah, I'll see you in the next video. See you guys.